to depart from platform 11 will be the 9 a.m. Crazy Dawn, stopping all stations to Crazy Dawn. Your next service to depart
I
from
was just
platform
playing
11
with you.
will be the 9 a.m. Crazy Dawn, stopping all stations to Crazy Dawn. And everyone wants to switch on the lights and keep the start of your journey.
Recording at 60 FPS. They better close. Now what's this about it?
The answer is Lakeville.
The answer is Lakeville. Is that one of the original Spirit of Progress carriages?
Yeah.
That's a PC game. Is that one of the original Spirit of Progress carriages? That thing locked in.
Yeah, that's definitely it. That's definitely it. Yeah, but I can see a headlight. Where a headlight is.
Everyone T-pose. Upload it past.
Oh my goodness.
Oh yeah, Andy's on that train too.
So it is. We get to yell at him.
No, it'll always come to the bar.
I saw Aiden swimming.
You're a bit near them.
But it says they're doing this.